Welcome to the first video tutorial for WoWsage, the premier character profiling and modeling software for Blizzard's World of Warcraft MMO. With WoWsage, you can load your character from the armory. Load and equip gear from a comprehensive built-in database. Experiment with your talents. And manage your self-buffs and buffs from other classes. You can see the results of modifying these specs instantly on intuitive charts that show stats and abilities. You can compare your different character builds, or even compare your character to other characters. WoWsage allows you to enter your ability rotations and see the expected damage, healing, and mana usage graphically, including effects such as mana regeneration and triggered abilities such as Eclipse and Hotstreak. WoWsage is comprised of 4 primary control groups: the main menu, the navigation bar, the main control window, and the collapsible toolbar. The main menu allows you to do things such as save and load your character from disk, load your character from the armory, maintain your builds, and manage your recipes and sets. Using the option menu, you can set the visibility of controls such as the collapsible toolbar. The main menu allows you to configure the color scheme being used by WoWsage. On the About box, accessible from the main menu, you can view the license file and enter your registration code. WoWsage ships with a fully indexed help file that can be accessed from the menu. The navigation bar is used to navigate various modifiable and viewable aspects of your character in WoWsage. This includes modifying your basic character information, your talents, your currently equipped gear, buffs, and so forth. The main control window displays controls determined by the view selected in the navigation bar. These controls will be discussed in more detail in future video tutorials and are fully documented in the WoWsage help file. The collapsible toolbar is a fully dockable toolbar that can be set to minimize in order to save screen real estate. It can also be pinned to any edge of the screen. The Build Results toolbar displays your currently selected character's traits numerically. The Options toolbar allows you to modify global options related to WoWsage. Many of the controls in WoWsage will provide guiding tooltips when the controls are selected or hovered over. When the chart view is selected in the navigation bar, the collapsible toolbar also contains a dockable toolbar that can be used to configure the charts currently being viewed. The first thing you will want to do after opening WoWsage is to load your character off of the armory. Load your character from the armory by clicking the Load Armory button on the main menu. This opens a control where you enter your character's name, play server, and armory webpage. Note that if you play on a North American server, WoWsage will default to the correct location. European users will need to enter the appropriate armory URL. When WoWsage loads your character off of the armory, it attempts to predict your weapon skills. You can instruct WoWsage to maximize your weapon skills by selecting the Maximize Weapon Skills checkbox. The Add as New Build checkbox will be discussed in a future tutorial. Once you have set the appropriate options, click the OK button and WoWsage will load your character off of the armory. Once that is done, you can see that WoWsage now displays information relevant to your character. The Build Results window now reflects the traits appropriate to your character. I can view and modify the talents related to this character, the gear the character is wearing, any buffs on the character, character abilities for classes with currently supported ability modeling, and so forth.